morning, you guys. This is Matthew with Sunny Pressure Washing. What I want to do is show you guys just exactly how effective soft washing can be. So you can see over here, we've already killed this lichen, this mold, algae, whatever it is. It's on the home. Excuse me. We've already cleaned it off, so you can see it's laying on the home dead. And what I want to do, Owen's going to show us exactly how clean he can get this just by rinsing it off. 1 second. So go ahead, Owen. So, and he's just gonna, it's just gonna melt off the home. You can see, and this is, excuse me. Sorry. You can see this is years of mold and algae and mildew buildup just being wiped away from the side of the home. And of course we pre-treated it beforehand, but would you do that other side for us, please? And then just take a clean swipe over it so that everyone can see exactly how effectively clean it is. So, and you use that fan pattern, please. So you guys can see, I mean, this is just wiping away off the side of the home. Excuse me, I'm coming off being sick. But yeah, just do a little bit more for us, please, Owen. So yeah, you guys can see, I mean, this is all low pressure. This is effectively cleaning the home. We're not just wiping it away, we're actually killing it. And you can watch as the dead moss just falls off the side of the home. So this is what you'd be getting if you give us a call. We'll come out and give you guys a free demonstration. You can see exactly how clean we'll get your home. Excuse me, I'm sorry for coughing so much, you guys. But yeah, so this is Owen. My name's Matthew. Our company is Sunny Pressure Washing. Give us a call and we'll come out and give you a free demonstration, free quote, get you guys price, scheduled, and taken care of in the same day, hopefully. But yeah, we just wanted to show you guys, this is so cool because most of our homes are dirty, right? Obviously, because we're cleaning them. But this one in particular, what I wanted to share with you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in with us. My name is Matthew. Our company is Sunny Pressure Washing. Give us a call at 832-622-2924. We offer both commercial and residential services. Fully insured, highly recommended. We got a ton of reviews on Google, Yelp, etc. So just give us a call. We'd love to hear from you guys and get you taken care of. So I appreciate it a bunch. Thank you.